Hey guys, it's Candy here with Crazy 8's Life, and I am so excited today to unbox this box for you. This is the Paradise Delivered box, and I have received one of these boxes, and it was one of my favorites. I believe the box is around $37 a month. I will list the price in the video because I am not 100% sure that that is right. It does come every month, and it is supposed to be kind of just a relaxing box for kind of a vacation at home type of thing. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into this box. So, of course, right on top, you have this little card. It actually says that if you take a picture of you with your box and put it on Instagram or Facebook, and then tag at Paradise Delivered, that you will be entered to win a free box. And then on the back we have all the items and the prices, and I will go through the prices as I'm going through the items with you. So also in this box there is a gift card for $40 off of, assuming it is clothing. It looks like it would be clothing. I don't know. I have never heard of this. So it'll be interesting to see if $40 goes very far. If it does, that's awesome. Let's go ahead and get on with this box. So that says it was a special bonus item, the Ellen $40 gift card. Add some swag to your closet from trending fashion brand Ellen at shopellen.com to redeem your $40 card. No minimum purchase necessary. I will definitely be checking that out. Okay, so the first item that is on this list is another little package. It sounds like jewelry. I had gotten a bracelet in the last one, so let's go ahead and see what this is. It's in this cute little envelope. It is a necklace. It says Gen 3. It is a pink bar necklace. This says Stella Pink Pendant Gold Bar Necklace. This striking trending necklace is sure to become a new staple in your collection. Wear it alone or layer it with your other fave pieces. 17-inch long chain with a 3-inch extender, which is super nice because I actually almost bought an extender. So now I have one with this. That's awesome. It's super cute. I like it. I like it. That's super cute. I don't know if I said what it retailed for. It says $48. I'll definitely get some use out of that. So the next thing is going to be a Panerai Grapeseed hand cream. This size does retail for $22, and it says, this lush moisturizing hand cream, boasting anti-aging, antibacterial, and moisture-retaining properties, will leave your skin feeling silky smooth and bursting with vitality. For a deep, hydrating experience, massage lotion into hands and fingers, paying close attention to the cuticle area. Sounds super nice. The next thing is this Jules K copper pouch. It says this stylish, versatile bag can be carried as a clutch on a night out or slipped into your purse or tote for additional storage while you're shopping or at work. Either way, you're sure to make a statement with this shiny, standout accessory. It's not super shiny. This is really slim and nice, kind of like a leather feel. That retails for $38. All right, so the next thing is the Chloe Emeralds 4 beauty bar set. So a little soap set here. It says, love your skin with this gentle ultra moisturizing bar soap set featuring 4 individually wrapped bar soaps, each in a distinctive fragrance. Good quality soap is one of life's simple but important luxuries. So that'll definitely get used. I like that things are things that like everybody can use. I have to buy soap anyway, so it's kind of nice to get a different brand and try it out. All right, and then we have this Babe Lash Serum, which I have been wanting to buy. Not necessarily this brand, but I've been wanting to try a lash serum. My daughter's been using some. I don't know if that's showing up at all. My daughter's been using some, and I asked her the other day on her eyelashes. I was like, what in the world? I thought she got extensions, and she said she hasn't done anything different, but she had been using some lash serum. So I am really excited to get this. And this retails for $65. That's a lot. All right, and then we have a multi-wear bandeau, Cambridge Proper. This soft and unique accessory. Okay, so a Cambridge Proper bandeau. All right, so there's several ways to wear this. You can see on the packaging, and it says this soft and unique accessory can be styled in many ways. So it's open in the middle here, and you can bunch it up. You can see you could wear it as a headband easily. You can wear it as a scrunchie, or they have it as the kind of, I think they call them a gaiter, or the mask that kind of goes around your neck. I didn't see all these ways. Anyways, there's several ways that it can be styled. They even have it as kind of like a bracelet. I don't think I would do that, but anyways, there's several kind of options. It is really super lightweight. I think that it would be cute as a headband. My hair is pretty thin. It'd be pretty big for a scrunchie for me, so I don't know that that would work. But if you have thick hair, it definitely would work that way. So anyways, this retails for $18. And then we have some eye masks. I believe I've had this brand before from somewhere, but maybe a different kind. South Main Revitalizing Eye Gel Set. Ensure you look and feel rested and refreshed all day with this set of 3 cooling and refreshing under eye gels. Place 1 gel under each eye, following the contour of your cheekbones. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes and remove. And then we have one other item in this box, and it is a snack. These are so good. My husband has brought these home from work for us before, and we love them. So it is definitely a treat, an indulgence, because it is just caramel filled and gooey and yummy. Okay. Anyways, this is the Finger Licking Dutch Stroop Waffles Caramel Waffle Cookie, $4. It says crispy on the outside, chewy on the inside. These 2 delectables are a perfect treat any time of the day. Enjoy right out of the package or warm by placing a cookie on top of a hot coffee or tea mug, which will soften the caramel inside and release aromas of cinnamon and sugar. Made with love in the Netherlands. So, although I probably won't enjoy this, someone in my family will. And it is like if you just have a coffee mug and you sit the cookie on there, oh my goodness, it just warms it up, and it's so good. Anyways, guys, that is all I have in this Paradise Delivered box. And I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye.